Tim, I'm sorry, you're gonna have to give me 1 second, okay?
One.
Okay.
I'm just joking.
Yeah, call me back, okay, thank you. Hold on, 1 second.
Good morning. The 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Tenisha Yancey presiding. While court is in session, there will be no talking, sleeping, lying down, driving, no wearing of any head garments unless it's for religious purposes only, no chewing of any gum or reading of any material. And you must be properly dressed when the judge asks you to turn on your cameras. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Good morning, Counselor. Are we ready to proceed on your matter?
We are.
Okay, this is the People versus Anthony Belowski. Ticket number SP 14114491, driving while license suspended. Ticket number SP 14198241, driving while license never acquired. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1430661, driving on a suspended license, repeat offender. Appearances for the record, please, starting with the attorney.
Daniel Garrett for defendant. Good morning.
And will you state your name for the record, sir?
Anthony, you have to unmute, sir.
I muted him.
Anthony Belkowski Jr.
And I apologize, I do not have the docket set for a pretrial.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Guerin, how would you like to proceed?
Your Honor, after discussions with our city attorney, defendant's going to plead to one count of allowing an unlicensed person to operate a motor vehicle and responsible to the expired plates. He has several other civil infractions that are being dismissed, but he's going to be pleading to 2 counts of expired plates, and everything else is to be dismissed.
Okay, and is there a motion to set aside those that are in default?
Yes, Your Honor.
So granted.
Would you like for me to read those into the record, Your Honor?
Yes, please.
Okay. Ticket number SP 14114511, no proof of insurance. Count 2, expired plates. Ticket number SP 141982243, expired plates. Ticket number SP 1498281, no registration. Ticket number SP 1430661, expired plates. And count 2 of that same ticket, no proof of insurance.
And did your plea agreement include those as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And I apologize, will you just repeat what the plea is so I can get that down?
Of course, he pleads to 1 count of allowing an unlicensed driver to operate a motor vehicle, and he's going to be pleading to responsible to 2 of the plate violations.
Expired.
The plea violations are civil infractions?
Yes, that's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. And Mr. Belkowski, did you have an opportunity to talk to your attorney? Did he advise you of your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you pleading guilty because you actually are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you give today will be the truth? And I need you to move over just a bit so that we can actually see. Okay. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you give today will be the truth and the entire truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Madam Clerk?
On December 3rd, 2022, were you in the city of Detroit in the area of DeQuinder in Nevada?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving a 2018 Ford?
Yes, ma'am.
And on that date, were you in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, ma'am.
When asked to produce a valid driver's license, were you able to do so?
No, ma'am.
Satisfied, Counselor?
I am, Your Honor. Thank you.
Do you stipulate to probable cause on the dismissal?
Of course.
And do you stipulate to the four corners of the ticket for both of the civil infractions?
Absolutely.
Okay. And I apologize again. You said that he's pleading responsible to two of the plate violations. What were the Latifah, which ticket numbers were those?
That ticket number was SP 14114512. And that one is for $174. The other one is for SP 14306661. And that ticket also is for $174. So that's a total of three. They both are, yeah, $174.
Okay.
Because they put to default and it's past the time, so late fees probably were added.
Okay, I understand. And then what was the original charge?
That's the original charge, expired plates.
Expired plates. Okay. So the court is also satisfied and will enter a guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Belkowski for allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. And also I will enter responsible pleas on behalf of Mr. Belkowski for expired plates on ticket number ending in 4512 and ticket number ending in 6661, both for expired plates. Mr. Belkowski, are you working currently?
Yes, I am, ma'am.
Okay, so as stated, the two are going to be $174 each. I'm going to go as low as I could possibly go on the allowing because you're racking up some costs now. So I'll do $190 for the allowing. I'll assess fines and fees of $190 for a total of $538.
Does that include the late fees, Your Honor?
I believe so, because Latifah, Madam Clerk gave me $174, which should have included late fees. Is that correct?
Yes, I'll just double check. I think he's want to know if he could possibly get the late fees.
That's correct.
Okay.
Let me see, let me just make sure. Yes, it was a late fee added.
What were the late fees?
$29 a piece.
$29 for each of the 174?
Yeah, so it'll take it down to 145.
Okay. So, and there's a motion is there a motion to set aside or to waive the late fees?
Yes, please.
All right, so that takes it down to 145 per ticket for a total of 290. In addition to the 190 will be now 480 that he owes. Yes. Are you able to pay that within the next 2 weeks or do you need 30 days?
No, he will pay that within the next 2 weeks, Your Honor, including the reinstatement fee as part of my agreement with our city attorney.
Okay, and so it will be due on
2 weeks. Sorry. The 12th, July 12th.
And Counselor, as long as it's paid by July 12th, you don't need to return back to court. If it's not paid by July 12th, we do need to see one of you back here on July 12th at 8:30 a.m.
Very good, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
I just want you to know, Anthony, before you leave, even though we did dismiss 2 of your no proof of insurance tickets, you still have to pay the reinstatement fee for those 2. Okay, so if you don't have your license back, you should, hopefully that helps. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. So what do I owe you guys? I'm gonna pay you Friday. So with 480.
Okay, so it's gonna be, hold on, I'll just do the math one more time for you. And 190. Yep, and then plus your 45. So it's going to be a total of $570.
570. Okay, who did I just call the clerk and give it? Can I give it to him over the phone, right?
You can either pay it online. You can either pay it online or come down to the court.
Okay.
I'm not for sure what's the number for the pay by phone option. I do apologize.
Okay.
Sir, can you put your phone on mute for us, please?
Okay, ma'am. I got one more question. How do I? So, when I pay this fine here, then do I get a clearance to get my license back, or how?
Anthony, I'll explain. I will explain to you. Okay.
Okay.
Ms. Latifah, thank you so much for your help today. Have a great day. Okay.
Welcome. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. Anthony, I'll remove you from the meeting. Have a good day, sir.